In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a clean, simple, and super effective budget spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Whether you're trying to track your income, control your monthly expenses, or you just want a clearer picture of where your money is going, this easy step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open Google Sheets and create a brand new spreadsheet. Once you're in, start by setting up the key sections: income, expenses, and your difference at the top. This difference will tell you whether you're saving money or overspending each month. Go ahead and type income in one area and expenses in another. For income, keep things simple: one column for the description and one for the dollar amount. For expenses, create 3 columns: description, dollar amount, and category. To keep everything visually clear, you can format income in green and expenses in red. A little color goes a long way in making your sheet easier to read. Next, let's make our expense categories more organized. Click on the category column and insert a drop-down menu. Instead of typing each category manually, create a new sheet called Settings. In this sheet, write the categories you want, for example, needs, wants, and savings. Then return to your main sheet and set your drop-down to pull from the range settings, a 2, a 4. Once that's done, expand the drop-down across the entire column so every expense can be categorized quickly. To make your sheet cleaner, adjust your column sizes, bold your headers, and apply currency formatting to the dollar columns. This not only makes your spreadsheet look professional, but also prevents formatting mistakes later on. Now start filling in your sample data, things like rent, electric bills, dinner out, or any other expense you need to track. Next, it's time to calculate your monthly difference. Click on the cell where you want the result and enter a simple formula. = sum B4, B sum D4D. This subtracts your total expenses from your total income. As soon as you enter this formula, Google Sheets will automatically update the numbers every time you add new income or expenses. Super convenient. To make the process smoother, here's a quick tip. Keep your expense list long enough to handle future entries and use Paste Special and Format Only whenever you want to copy clean formatting down the sheet. This keeps everything consistent without affecting your actual data. Once you're happy with your layout, rename the file to Budget Template so you can reuse it each month. You can even duplicate the sheet inside your file for each new month and keep a running yearly overview. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create a budget spreadsheet in Google Sheets that's easy to use, easy to update, and incredibly helpful for managing your money. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, feel free to share it with someone else who wants to get better with budgeting. Why not help someone take control of their finances today?